So here it is, 9:30 on the 1st. We're getting ready to do our toughest 10K.
Can you turn the TV on so you can turn the video and the switch?
Anyway, you've heard the phrase, no regrets. I got regrets. Why did I eat so much junk food last night? Why did I sign up to run 6 miles? And by the way, I don't know, you see back there? It's this way, hello. It's raining. It's not supposed to rain in winter in Montana. I told Sharon if it was snow, I'd have no question just going out there and running, but I hate rain. And it's on top of a lot of packed snow, which is super, super slick ice. So we'll see who shows up and we'll make a plan.
You're evil.
Yeah.
I could have been sleeping still.
That's exactly what I thought. Here we go. The coin flip went our way, so we're only doing a 5K. So let me explain with the toughest 10K. We didn't have a whole lot of people show up to run it, so we decided to play an audible. With the rain, the temperature wasn't cold enough that we were getting freezing rain, but a lot of the streets here in town were packed snow, and that rain on top of that made it very, very slick. And we just really didn't feel like running in the rain, so we flipped a coin to determine the 6K or the 10K. I mean, the 6 miles or the 3 miles, the 5K or the 10K for me and Chad. And the coin flip went in our favor, and we got a 5K. So it's actually a really good thing. Neither one of us really were prepared for the full 6 miles, but it was good fun to get out, and we had a good time. So now we're going to spend the rest of the day relaxing.